Alright, so this is my car right here. 85 Jetta with the ABA swap. Not a lot, pretty much fully built head. Here's just sitting there idling, really. Pretty sweet. Looking at about 160 to 170 horses right here to the wheel. Fully built. About to get turbocharged. Full Tectonics tuning exhaust, as you can see, with stainless steel. VR6 downpipe. VR6 gutted cat. Not a lot. Pretty mint interior, as you can see. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and rev it up for you real quick. It's alright.